Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have another update for Google Chrome today. So if you are using the Chrome browser, you simply go to the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, Help and About Google Chrome. So this is the second update we have this week. You'll be at 149.0.7827.200 or 201. And so one of the updates this week is a bug fixing update. So this could be the one and the feature update because last update that we had, which was on June the 23rd, is the one that had 18 security fixes, including 4 critical and several high severity, as you see here. So that means that what we had on Tuesday is the security updates, even though they didn't write that there were security updates or information to be updated. But now it is here, so we see that there's 18 flaws that are fixed. And today's update, if you look at the Chromium release, what it says only on today's update for Stable Channel is that, the list of changes is available in the logs, which doesn't usually mean security, but that's what they said also on Tuesday. So anyways, whatever it is today, we do have the security updates of Tuesday, the 23rd, and it is important to update your browser and also check your Chromium browsers to make sure that you have all the security updates. This is what keeps you safe on the internet. So this is 2 updates this week right now. We'll be continuing to check what, if anything pops up in case there would be other security updates today. But usually when there's 2, one is security, one is simply bug fixes and features. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.